Now dear students, we will find the perimeter of some figures like rectangle and square. So here first of all we take one rectangle. This is the shape of one rectangle. In rectangle, as you know, opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Suppose I write this is the length of the rectangle L and this is the breadth of rectangle, that is B. So opposite sides are equal. So I take the opposite side of this rectangle as L and the breadth as B. Now we know that perimeter is the sum of the boundary. So if I add the sides of the rectangle, I have one of its sides as L, next is B, next one is L and next one is B. The four sides are L, B, L, B. I add L plus L is 2L, B plus B is 2B. So if I take this 2 as common, then I have 2 into length plus breadth, L plus B. So the formula creates for perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply in bracket length plus breadth. So this is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Let us take one example. So here length is 3 centimeter, opposite length is also 3 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter, opposite breadth is 2 centimeter. So to find the perimeter of this rectangle, we multiply 2 multiply by length plus 2 multiply by breadth, because 2 length is there and 2 times breadth is there. So we have 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now we find the perimeter of square. So if we are having a square, as we know all the sides of a square are same. The four sides are same. So if it is side, then it is also the same sides. To find the perimeter of square, we need to add the boundary, that is side plus side plus side plus side. And as you know, here is repeated addition, and a repeated addition is what? The multiplication. Side is 4 times, so we multiply side by 4. The 4 times side. So the perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. So basically the perimeter is to add all the sides of the given figure. So in the example, we have 2 centimeter as one of the side. So all the sides are 2. So we multiply 4 by 2. We get 8 centimeter. That is the perimeter of this square. And to find the perimeter of triangle, we need to add all the sides. Here 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. are the sides of this triangle. We add all the sides and we get the perimeter of triangle. Now here are the word problems. In example 1, Krishna has a rectangular garden whose length is 75 meters and breadth is 45 meters. How much wire will he need to fence the field, the garden? He has a rectangular garden, so he is having length 75 and breadth as 45. And to find the length of the wire in this rectangle, 75 meter is length and 45 meter is breadth. He need to fence the garden, so he need only the boundary, and to find the boundary we need to find the perimeter. So here we will find the perimeter of the field. The length and breadth is given. To find the perimeter we need to multiply 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply breadth. After solving we get the length of the wire. Next one is Rima wants to fix a border to square carpet. Here it is square carpet whose each edge is 3 meters. Find the length of the border. So here also, to find the length of the border of the square carpet, we need to find the perimeter. So each side is 3 meter. To find the perimeter, we multiply this side by 4. Then 4 multiply 3, we get 12 meters as the perimeter of this square carpet. Students, note that you can take the perimeter of rectangle up to this formula, means 2 length plus 2 breadth, or you can take 2 multiply length plus breadth after taking 2 as the common. So both the formulas are correct. You can use anyone. In this we are using this 2 multiply length plus breadth, means first of all we will add the length and breadth and then we multiply it by 2. Now here comes worksheet 3 on page number 108. Solve the following word problems. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 12 cm and breadth is 8 cm. So first of all we will write the question, and in solution we are having a rectangle here. In this rectangle we are having length equal to 12 cm and breadth is equal to 8 cm. So here we have length of rectangle. This is the short form I am writing for rectangle, that is 12 cm, and breadth, breadth, breadth of rectangle, that is 8 cm. Now we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. So to find the perimeter of rectangle, we have formula 2 multiply length plus breadth. So 2 multiply, in length we have 12 cm and in breadth we have 8 cm. Then 2 multiply 12 plus 8 is 20 and we get 2 to the 4, 40 centimeter as our answer. In this, units is same as given, centimeter. Now in B, and that will be the answer. Calculate the perimeter of the square whose sides are given below. 6 centimeter is the first part, means this is a square and one of its sides is given 6 centimeter. Then we are having side of square, that is 6 centimeter, and to find the perimeter of square we have 4 multiply by side, then 4 multiply by side is 6 centimeter, 4 6 are 24, and 24 centimeter will be the answer. Then in second part 11 meter is given. So to find the perimeter, here the side of square is 11 meter. To find the perimeter, we have 4 multiply by side, then 4 multiply by 11 meters, that is 44 meters. So the third part of this B is, in this square we have side of 26 centimeter. So we are given side of square, that is 26 centimeter. To find the perimeter of square, we have 4 multiply by its side, then 4 multiply by 26 centimeter, and if we multiply we get 104 centimeter. Now the C part, the length of 3 sides of a triangle are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Find the perimeter. So in this triangle 3 sides are given, that are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter, and to find the perimeter we need to add all the sides of this triangle. So we have perimeter of triangle, that will be 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, that is 24 centimeter. Now the D part, in D part, that is the problem sum, and we will write first word and the last word and then the solution. A boy runs around a rectangular field, the length of which is 35 meters and the breadth is 20 meters. How much distance will he run? So here is a rectangular field, and boy has to run on its boundary. The distance you have to find, and to find the distance you will have the perimeter. Its length is 35 meters and breadth is 20 meters. So we have length of rectangular field, that is 35 meters, breadth of rectangular field, that is 20 meters, and you have to find the distance, that is perimeter. So we will find perimeter of rectangular field. 2 multiply length plus breadth. 2 multiply length is 35, breadth is 20 meters. So 2 multiply 55 meters, and we get 110 meters. So in answer we have he runs the distance of 110 meters. Now the next question, Sheila wants to fix the ribbon along the border of a painting. If the length and breadth of painting are 36 cm and 15 cm respectively, how much ribbon is required by the Sheila? So if length and breadth is given, so obviously we are having a rectangle. This is a painting. Length and breadth is given and you have to fix the ribbon on the border only, and to find the border we need the boundary, and so we need to find the perimeter here. So here length of painting and breadth of painting is given. So here we will write length of rectangular painting. Then breadth of rectangular painting. We need to find the perimeter here. Perimeter of this rectangular painting, to multiply length plus breadth. So we use 36 in length and 15 in breadth. After adding we get 51 centimeter, and we multiply it by 2, we get 102 centimeter as a perimeter. So in answer we will write Sheila required 102 centimeter ribbon. Now the next part, Raju has to frame a square photo. Here it is given that the photo is a square and he has to frame the photo. Having one side of length 12 centimeter, how much material will Raju require for this job? So to frame a square photo, he needs the perimeter of the square. So in solution, he is having the square of side 12 centimeter. Length means one side is given, that is 12 centimeter, and side of square photo, that is 12 centimeter. Side means length, and you have to find the perimeter because you need to frame the boundary of this photo. The perimeter of square photo, that is 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by 12 centimeter, that is 48 centimeter. So Raju required 48 centimeter. Now in G part, a boy runs 2 times around a field, the length of which is 62 meter and breadth is 40 meter. Find the distance covered by him. Here a rectangular field is given, and it is given that length of this rectangular field is 62 meters and breadth is 40 meters. And it is saying that a boy runs 2 times around the field. So you have to find the perimeter 2 times to find the distance covered by the boy. So first of all we will find the perimeter and then we multiply it by 2 to find the distance covered by the boy. So first of all we have length of this rectangular field that is given 62 meter. Then breadth of rectangular field, that is 40 meter. Find perimeter of the rectangular field, that is 2 multiply length plus breadth. 2 multiply 62 plus 40 meters. 2 multiply 102 meters, and that is 204 meters. This is the distance of the field, but it is given that the boy runs 2 times. The boy runs 2 times. So, to find the distance covered by the boy, we need to multiply the perimeter by 2. So, we need to multiply it by 2 and we get the answer. So, to find the distance covered by the boy, we need to multiply the perimeter by 2. Now the next question. Tina ran around a rectangular garden of length 12 meter and breadth 8 meter. Meena ran around the square field of side 11 meter. Who covered more distance and by how much? So first of all, we need to find the perimeter of rectangular garden by Tina and the square garden by Meena. Then we will find who will take the more distance. Who will cover the more distance. So first of all, Tina too much. First word and the last word I have written. Now for Tina ran on a rectangular garden, the length of which is 12 meter and the breadth is 8 meter. So for Tina, length of rectangular garden that is 12 meter, breadth of rectangular garden that is 8 meter, distance covered by Tina, we need to find the perimeter of the rectangular garden. 2 multiply length plus breadth, 2 multiply 12 plus 8, and we get 2 multiply by 20 meter, that is 40 meter. So distance covered by Tina is 40 meters. Now we find distance covered by Meena, and he ran on a square field of 11 meters. The side of square field that is 11 meter, and we will find the perimeter of square field to find the distance covered by Meena, that is 44 meters. Now you see, distance covered by Tina is is 40 meters and distance covered by Meena is 44 meters. So he is asking who covered more distance and by how much. So here, as you see, Meena covered more distance as she is having 44. she covered 44 meters and Tina covered 40 meters. So here we write Meena covered more distance. By 44 minus 40, which is equal to 4 meters. So she covered more distance by 4 meters.